The next query that we have is quite an interesting one. Gauri is asking this. Akshar, I'll come to you for this query. So what she wants to know is that she has 15 lakhs to invest and she wants to invest this in 3 stocks for 1 year. She's saying that she'll be happy investing in mid-cap stocks as well, and she's considering ABB India, MCX and Dixon. These are the 3 counters that she has filtered, but if if you put on her hat, which will be the 3 stocks that you would invest in for the next 1 year if you had 15 lakh rupees?
Well, out of the 3 stocks which she has mentioned, I think one of the stocks fits in the technical setups which I track, and that is MCX. I'm looking at from a minimum 1 year investment horizon. So this price structure is pretty strong. It is just that with the recent market rough patch, the stock too has seen some bit of a correction. But broadly, 5200 is a very strong support zone for this stock, and my thought is eventually you should see the stock returning back to the swing highs of 6800 plus. So MCX fits the bill. 5200 is the support. Your stop losses can be below that. You can consider Kotak Mahindra Bank from the private banking space. It has broken out of a 3 to 4 year long price range consolidation. Easily targets of 2400 to 2500 is in the making. So this can be the second name you can look forward to. And Ashok Leyland is the third stock, which is from the auto space, which has stood out pretty strong in the last 4 or 5 months of mayhem in the market. 200 is a strong support base which this stock has set up, and now it is just about to catch strong momentum, which can see the stock sailing for levels of 270 to 280 with a time horizon of a year. So these are the 3 names. MCX is obviously the name which you have on your list, but the other names would be Ashok Leyland and Kotak Mahindra Bank.
Okay. And just a quick follow-up to that, Akshay, honestly, I've not met a lot of people in the recent past that have dry powder to deploy. They've tried to catch the bottom and they've effectively deployed before the bottom was found. I don't know if that's the case right now as well, but then seemingly she has 15 lakhs. Of course she has. So therefore, would you advise her to do the deployment incrementally and not all at once? Be a little cautious?
See, markets is a journey where you need to be present in all situations. Then only you reap the benefits of getting the cycle. Exactly, no one can predict where the bottom is. But if you have money on hand, you have withered the pain in the market, which people have been going through in the last 5 months, and you have cash at disposal. That's a very good news that at such lower levels you are able to enter with a good amount of money. So I believe these are good levels to enter. Really, this is the bottom, or still there is some pain left. No one can answer that, but it's a cycle of investing. You should be present, and when the cycle retraces back, definitely gains are in the making.
All right, interesting perspective coming in. Thank you for that, Akshay. We have our next caller. Adi from Hyderabad is calling in. Adi, a very good morning to you. I believe you have a query on Canara Bank.
Yeah, hi, good morning. So I bought Canara Bank at 90.5, nearly 100 shares.
Okay.
I'm looking to know if I can, hold them for 6 months to 1 year, and if I can accumulate more at current prices.
Okay. Your question is crystal clear. Akshay, I'll come back to you again. Canara Bank is the counter. How is it faring on charts for the next 6 months, and can he accumulate more at the current levels?
So PSU banks have been at the wrong side of the market. Again, one side selling from 125 to 87 where it trades, but somewhere now it is returning back to the value support areas on the price technical charts. 80 to 85 is the sweet spot for this stock if you're looking at from a short to medium term perspective. Ideally, there should be a bounce back from these levels, but stop loss or risk management is a must considering the nature of the market. So here 67 is the stop loss which I would recommend to buy or add with the estimate that the stock should rebound from 80 to 85 zone. And if it does, then 105 to 110 can be the possible target projection with a time horizon of a 6 month scenario.